I think for me, there's really two things about who Mama Winnie Mandela was. Firstly, she was deeply loyal to the cause of the ordinary men and women. She always connected with them, their pain, their fears, their aspirations, all the time. She continued to connect with the problems of ordinary people, and those of us who were in positions of responsibility. She always called when she sees that there's something people are raising and complaining about, and asked, what is it that you are doing to address the issues? The second thing for me is that she was also fearless of those in power, whether it was the apartheid regime and even those in democratic South Africa who were in positions of power. She was fearless, and when she thinks you are out of touch, or you are not dealing with concerns of the people, she found it so easy to say it with no difficulty at all. So she was truly fearless, and she was deeply loyal to ordinary people's concerns.